In order for your employees to log into their Google Calendar, the admin or the superadmin needs to first enable their login to Trafft. To do it, follow these steps. Access the Settings section located in the lower left corner of the Trafft admin page. In the new page that appears, click on Users and Roles. Next to the employee for whom you want to enable login, click on the three dots menu, then Enable Login. In the pop-up that appears, choose whether Trafft will auto-generate a password, or if you prefer to create a password manually for this employee. Below that, define whether the employee will be required to choose a new password on the first login, or if you'll only send the login information to the user. Once the employee receives the login information, they can access their Trafft account. Instruct them to navigate to Account Settings to link their Google account with their employee account in Trafft. To access Account Settings, click on the name in the top right corner. This will open a new window where the logged-in employee can update their personal information, change their password, and manage their schedule, if their user role allows. Most importantly, for this integration, they can access the Integration section and log into their personal Google account. To access the Integration section, click on Google Calendar. In there, click on Connect Account. Trafft will redirect you to Google's login page, where you need to select a Google account. Google will then warn you that you are allowing Trafft to view and edit events on all your calendars, and to see and download any calendar you can access using your Google Calendar. Select both permissions and click on Continue. Once Trafft is allowed to access the Google account, you'll be brought back to the Account Settings Integrations page, where you'll see that your account is now connected. In the Integration section, you can add another account. One employee can add multiple accounts to select calendars that should block times in Trafft. The maximum number of accounts that can be added is 6. Sync with. Choose one of the connected calendars where all scheduled appointments from Trafft will be added. To block time from calendars, select multiple calendars from which busy time slots will be blocked off in Trafft. You can add a maximum of 6 accounts. Insert pending appointments. Choose whether to include pending appointments made in Trafft in your Google Calendar. Include buffer time in Google Events. Decide whether to add buffer time to events created by Trafft. Finally, populate the event title and description as needed. Always remember to save your changes when adjusting the settings. If you encounter any difficulties while adjusting the integration with Google Calendar, refer to our detailed video guide or written guides and documentation, both linked in the description of this video.